Hello dear students, in the previous class we discussed what is freedom, and we also came to know that for exercising real freedom some constraints or some positive constraints are also necessary. But the question is, how can we figure out which constraints are good for the freedom of individuals as well as the society, and which constraints are harmful for the freedom of individual as well as the society? So all these questions must be answered, and in today's class we will discuss the source of constraints. So dear students, constraints may come from the domination and external control. So dear students, constraints on the freedom of individuals can come from external controls, external forces, and such constraints can be applied either by law or by government or by any ruler or any ruling institution. And those kings or rulers, ruling institutions or government have some backing support by law or by some other means. This was the form of constraints represented by colonial rulers, and when we talk about colonial rulers in the world by uh, the British, the French, or the Portuguese, then they applied some constraints on the freedom of individuals, and there are some other examples of constraints applied by government. But it is thought that if constraints are applied by government, then they are better, and it will be much better. The government is democratic, because in democratic government people govern through their elected representatives, and in democratic system people get their better chances to express themselves freely, to preserve their freedom in every respect. But constraints on freedom can also result from social inequality of the kind implicit in the caste system. So there is side effect of social constraints, that social restrictions can create social equality in caste system or in economic system, or which result from extreme economic inequality in the society. Oh, that I told you that these restrictions sometimes can create inequality in social caste system or inequality in economic system. Here is a quotation which was given by the great freedom fighter of India, Honorable Subhash Chandra Bose. You have to read it yourself, and in next class we will discuss why do we need constraints. So dear students, till then keep learning, watch this video from the beginning till end, and take good care of yourself. Thank you for watching this video.